you how to install Python. So I'm going to install Python for Windows. To do that, first you should go to the search and you should search Python. And now you should go to the Python's website. Once you're here, you should click on the downloads. So here you can see the Python download available for the Windows, Linux, Mac and other platforms. But here I'm going to download the latest version of Python for Windows. So once it is downloaded, you should open it. And now you can see a small setup box appearing here. And at the bottom of it, you can see two options. One is already selected and I recommend to select the second option also because it enables the Python in command prompt. And now there is customize installation where you can customize whatever you want in the Python. But here I'm going with the normal installation. And now it is installing. Now it says the setup was successful. And now you should close it. And to open Python, you should go to the start. And if you scroll down a bit, you can see the Python folder. So the Python comes with an interactive shell for beginners called idle shell. So if you open it, the idle will be open. So in the next video, let's get started with our first program in Python. But until then, bye-bye.